To ensure Approach R10 users aren't left behind by the R50, you've likely noticed that the Home T-Hero virtual golf experience has now been launched as its own standalone app. Let's take a look at the amazing updates in this new app. Compared to when it was part of the Garmin Golf app, the new Home T-Hero app features a superior visual design. The design team focused on the details, including more realistic visuals for greens, bunkers, and water hazards, natural scenery like forests, trees, and turf, as well as more precise courses, terrain, and slopes. Even the leaves swaying in the wind are rendered in great detail. The goal is to provide Approach R10 users with a sensory experience that feels just like playing outdoors. The Home T-Hero app features over 43,000 courses worldwide, including a selection of the top 15 most famous and popular courses. Courses such as Pebble Beach Golf Links in California, Riviera Country Club, and TPC at Sawgrass in Florida are all on the list, allowing you to grab your clubs and take on a challenge anytime. Beyond the smoother and more realistic graphics, Garmin has also utilized high-resolution LIDAR technology to enhance green undulations and tree coverage on the top 15 courses, immersing us in a premium visual experience. With so many fantastic updates, the best part is if you're already a Garmin Golf app subscriber, you can upgrade to the Home T-Hero app seamlessly at no extra cost. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't hesitate, join now. Not only can you improve your swing with the Garmin Golf app, but you can also challenge world-class courses in the Home T-Hero app.